Did you accidentally downshift into second gear instead of fourth on the freeway and hear your engine scream? If you saw the tachometer hit the red line, you might have triggered code P0219, which stands for an engine overspeed condition. This code is the car's way of telling you that the engine spun faster than it was ever designed to handle, and it is a critical warning. This generic code applies to everything from a Honda to a Mercedes-Benz. The powertrain control module monitors how fast the engine is spinning using the crankshaft position sensor, camshaft position sensor, and transmission speed sensors. Every engine has a red line, which is a maximum revolutions per minute limit. If you exceed that, the computer tries to save the engine by cutting fuel or changing ignition timing to slow things down. But if the revolutions go too high, the code P0219 is stored. The severity here is high because over-revving can float valves, smash pistons, and destroy an engine in seconds. Symptoms might be subtle if you are lucky, and you might not feel any drivability issues if the engine held together, but the light will be on. However, you might also see knock sensor codes or notice the clutch slipping if you drive a stick shift. The most common cause is driver error, specifically missing a shift in a manual transmission car. But if you drive an automatic and have not been racing, it could be a bad crankshaft or camshaft sensor sending false high-speed signals to the computer, or a transmission output speed sensor going haywire. To diagnose this, you need a scanner that can read freeze frame data because this snapshot tells you exactly what the revolutions per minute were when the code set. If the data shows an impossible number like 10,000 revolutions per minute on a minivan, you know it is a sensor glitch. If the data shows a realistic but high number, and you know you missed a shift, inspect the engine for damage immediately. Clear the code and drive normally to see if it resets. If it comes back without you racing the engine, use a digital volt-ohm meter or an oscilloscope to test the speed sensors for interference or short circuits. If this code popped up after a missed shift, do not wait. Have a mechanic check the mechanical health of your engine right away to ensure you have not bent a valve.